Here we are outside the home. It's a beautiful Arthur Ruttenberg home. You can see in the arbors, the streets are lined with oak trees, sidewalks, and you've got a nice paver driveway. Upon entering, I like that you can see all the way back to the pool. You have a formal living room up front, plantation shutters, bumped up ceiling with crown molding. Over here you have the dining room, nice pass-through area. And here, built-in TV area. Nice big great room. To the left is the master bedroom. You have some silhouette shades, bumped up ceiling with crown molding, big jetted tub and glass enclosure, double sink area, granite countertops. A very organized closet, space for luggage as well. And on the other side of the home, here you've got the kitchen, Corian countertops, stainless steel appliances. I like these glass shelves here. You have a new sink. Everything looks out to the pool. You have a gas range. Love that for cooking. In the laundry room here, large washer and dryer and cabinets above. Additional closet space in there, as well as a pantry right here. Nice size pantry. In the guest bedroom, you have wood flooring, same as the master. Still crown molding and plantation shutters throughout. Guest bathroom with granite countertop again, same as the master. This is the only bedroom with carpet, which is a nice carpet. It's a Berber and plantation shutters. Love this big picture window in the morning room for just sitting and looking out to the pool. Nice covered area. And you have a little refrigerator and TV area. That door there goes into the master bedroom. You have a gas line to the grill. You can see the backyard is fenced. And you've got great privacy the whole way around. Lovely pool. Love the palm planters and the spa. That also overspills a little water, creates a little waterfall area. What a great way to enjoy the Florida lifestyle.